Okay, so now we've done this. We've simplified the function simply so that we can be able to put in our 6 values. Now, for us to put our 6 values, we are checking at C. What is x approaching? Okay, remember that it's 1 working. So we've just simplified the function. We let f of x be this part, which is this thing which comes after the limit. And we got it. We simplified it. Now, all we are doing now is to put in the 6 values that we need to know. So we are approaching 0. So 0 is a thing. Now, for 0, it's so easy. Remember how easy it is? All you do is you are going to use 0.001, 0.01, and 0.1. But you put both in the negative and in the positive. In the negative, it will also be negative 0.001. Okay, then negative 0.01, then negative 0.1. Because 0 is where everything begins. So 0 kind of operates different from other numbers. That's what you simply do. So let's put the thing. So we'll say f of 0.001. This is just going to be 0.001 plus 6, which is going to be 6.001. Then we can do f of 0.01. Okay, this is just going to be 0.01 plus 6, which is going to be 6.01. Excuse me. Then we can do f of 0.1. This is just going to be 0.1 plus 6, and you are going to get 6.1. Then we go again, we say now f of negative 0.001. This is just going to be, you say 6 minus that, you get negative 5.999. And what do we do now? F of negative, okay, so you say it's negative 0.001 plus 6, okay, which gives you 5.999. Here we do f of negative 0.01. It is just going to be negative 0.01 plus 6, which is going to be 5.99. And now you can say f of negative 0.1 is just going to be negative 0.1 plus 6, and you get 5.9. Here are the solutions which we now put in our table of x and f of x. Negative 0.1, negative 0.01, negative 0.001, 0.001, 0.01, and 0.1. Here, what did we get here? On negative 0.1, we got 5.9. Here we got 5.99. Here we got 5.999. Here we got 6.001. Here we got 6.01. Here we got 6.1. Here are the values. Now, what am I going towards? If I move like this, I'm going towards 6. If I go down, I'm going down towards 6. So therefore, I can say the limit as x approaches 0 of x plus 3 all squared minus 9 all over x is going to be equal to 6. Remember, you look at the y. Look at the f of x. What are you approaching? The limit is what f of x or y is approaching. What output am I approaching? Okay, that is the limit. So x, we know that x is approaching 0. But what is y approaching? That's the limit. That's the solution. And it's going to be 6. There we have it. This is our limit. Now we can go ahead and sketch this graph and then try to see what is it that is at this y value of 6. There has to be something, and we can use it to prove our limit. Okay, that is it. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video where we now prove by sketching a graph. Bye.